Rally. The word rally can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Let's explore some of its common definitions. 1. Rally as a verb. When used as a verb, rally means to gather together or to come together again in order to support or encourage someone or something. It often implies a sense of unity and collective action. Here are a few examples. After the team fell behind in the game, the coach gave an inspiring speech to rally the players and boost their morale. The community rallied together to raise funds for the local charity. The protesters rallied in the city center to demand justice for the victims. 2. Rally as a noun. As a noun, rally refers to a gathering or public meeting, often for a specific purpose or cause. It can also describe a sudden improvement or recovery after a setback. Here are some examples. The political candidate organized a rally to connect with voters and share their campaign platform. The stock market experienced a rally after a period of decline, giving hope to investors. The team's amazing comeback in the final quarter was described as an incredible rally. 3. Rally as a sports term. In sports, rally is used to describe a situation where a team or individual makes a comeback or gains momentum after being behind. Here are a few examples. The tennis player was losing the match, but she rallied in the final set and won. The football team was down by 2 goals at halftime, but they rallied in the second half and ended up winning the game. The golfer had a poor start but rallied in the back 9 to finish with a respectable score. Overall, rally conveys the idea of coming together, regaining strength, or making a comeback. It can be used in various contexts, from political movements to sports events, to describe a collective effort or a personal resurgence.